Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today, we are going to unbox the Pro Standard Grill Mount 2.0, designed in Whistler by Ken Archtenbach and made in China like everything else. He's got a good sense of humor, I think. But this is specifically designed for the GoPro. So it is a means to, mount your GoPro so you can carry it and shoot action sports, whether that is riding a bike, surfing, skiing, snowboarding, or really anything else that matter where you're going to utilize your hands and film with the camera. Your head is kind of a natural stabilizer, so works well with that. And this has some advantages over using just kind of like a standard chest mount, which a lot of people use for things like mountain biking, skiing, and so forth. So let's jump in here, open this guy up. It comes with a lifetime warranty, register, and it's got the correct bolt position on the back. And it is a boil and bite system. If you've ever done a mouth guard, it will be pretty similar to that. So let's pop this out, see what's in there. So first off, we've got some different accessories, so that's great. We've got some Pro Standard stickers, also cool. And then, of course, we got what we're here for, and that, of course, is the Pro Standard mount. It's got the boiling instructions there, and you can see a nice rubbery finish there and a nice hard plastic. Pro Standard logo. We have a metal nut on that side there, and then we have a variety of markings, 1 through 6. Then I'm going to assume that's a straight horizon line, and then 6 through 1. That's probably just so you kind of know where it is after some testing. You'll know how to adjust your camera and just throw it on, because you're probably going to pull this guy on and off. And we happen to have a GoPro here, so we're just going to mount that directly in. So just like any other GoPro mount, you're just going to use that and then have your screw and just kind of screw that in. I mean, there's nothing really terribly technical about GoPro mounts. It's a fairly simplistic system, but, works well. And then there you go. Tighten that guy up and should be good to go. And then all you do is basically bite your teeth down here, and that's it. So you'll hold it in your mouth, and it will hold the camera out directly below. Obviously, you would hang it. You could probably also, have it upright. It doesn't really matter how you probably do it. It's whatever's comfortable, but obviously if you're going to have it, upwards, it's going to probably block your eyesight a little bit, and down below. Now, this works great for things like surfing, as I mentioned, road cycling, graveling cycling, something where you're not wearing a full face helmet. Most people that would wear a full face helmet and want this camera shot would typically mount it to the chin. You're not going to have the option to sort of do this. Same with riding motorbikes. If you're riding motorbikes, you're probably going to mount the mount to your chin versus, using one of these, because, the chin is going to be blocked by your helmet itself. But the nice thing about this is if you are cycling around and doing other sports, is that you can quickly pull this out of your mouth and use it as a grip. You could also use it, as a tripod. You can see it's quite stable. The only thing is that you probably wouldn't want to be throwing this on the ground and throwing it back in your mouth without having something to clean it, like, potentially some rubbing alcohol or soap and water. But it gives you an option to sort of pull it out, get some different camera angles, and, give you some accessibility. You could also basically fold this up like this and tuck it into your shirt or jersey or whatever you're using. And it's, almost acts as a chest mount, or even just a place to kind of store it when you turn it off. So, I mean, it's a versatile mount. It does a little bit more than just a bite mount, but really, really cool. Like I said, sturdy enough. This is a fairly rigid plastic. I don't think this is going to get damaged anytime soon. Obviously, if you are going to use a mount like this, you're going to have to be really careful, especially if you crash. I imagine that you could do some damage to your dental work. So, getting rid of that camera or spitting it out before you impact is a good thing. There is a little bit of a gap here. So if you are surfing or potentially snowboarding and you want to attach a leash, just so when you spit it out that you don't have to go hunting for it, you could really kind of do that there. It would be easy enough to attach a leash to this. But, like I said, very sturdy, looks good. The bite mount, especially the fact that it can be remolded and customized to your teeth, is a good thing. It looks nice and long. I'm looking forward to sort of getting out on the trails, riding the bike, getting some footage of this. But there you have it. That is a quick look. Remember, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see you.